Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope so you are doing great. I'm Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of the objective type examinations, especially JEE Mains and MSET. So, in objective type of examinations, time is important. Within short time, you have to focus the more number of questions to get the best and better ranks. If you know the super tips and tricks, you can crack any type of question easily without burden. That is the beauty of the maths. Okay, that is all I'm going to teach in my videos. Already uploaded more and more videos. If you not yet watched my previous videos, please watch them. Whose links are there in below description. I added playlist. You can watch it. And some video links can be opened by click the I button on the top corner of the every video. Is it clear? I hope so. You can follow it. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification to get the up-to-date videos notifications. That is very helpful to you. Without missing, you can watch it. So I'm teaching the very important tips and tricks with it, and also concept I'm using in every topic. Those are very helpful to you. Clear? So in today's session, I'm going to start very important topic, very interesting topic as a part one, that is the functions. Functions is one of the major topic for JEE Mains point of view, MSET point of view. Today's session, I'm going to discuss about the functions on MSET point of view, and also I will explain what are the various terminology, what are the various subtopics you can come across in the functions. So that one you have to know first. From starting onwards, I will explain. If we follow easily, then we can do the practice. Definitely, we can get the idea about the entire topic functions. Clear? Without delay, let's get started today's session. Are you ready? Yes, what I said in today's session, I'm going to start very important topic, that is the functions. From starting onwards, you can concentrate which type of points you can come across the functions. You have to know first. Here concept is important as well as tips and tricks are important to crack any type of question. So there are various points you can come across on this topic functions. First one is, what is a function? Function is a relation from two sets non-empty sets in A and B. Every element of A has unique element in B. Such type of relation is called as a function. Okay, you know the definition. Now what are the various types of functions? We have to come across types of functions. Types of functions, you have to know, this is one of the point. Types of functions. There are the various types of functions. What are those? Yes, exactly. One function. One is also known as injection. Injective mapping is as well as one function. And another is onto. Onto is known as a surjection. And bijection. Bijection means it is one onto. Bijection means it is one onto. Then constant function. Constant function generally f of x is in the form of some constancy, that is called as constant function. And identity function. Identity function. A function is in the form of f of x is equals again x, that is called as identity function. These are the some standard types of functions. One function is also known as injection or injective mapping. Function is also known as mapping. And onto known as surjection. Bijection means it is one onto. Then constant function, it is generally f of x is some c constant. And identity function means what? A function f of x in the form of x only, that is called as identity function. And what is not in one, that is called as many one function, which is not onto, that is called as into function. Those are opposites of one and into function, one and onto functions. Okay. So these we can recognize how it is. I will explain the questions one by one. No need to worry. Just what are the points you can come across under the functions. First you have to know. Okay. We will go any one of the function. We have to recognize the type of the function. Maybe it is one, identity, constant, bijection, etc. That one I will explain in the questions. No need to worry. Now second point, we can come across the second point is composite functions. Composite functions. Composite functions means you know very well. So it is connected with the circle. Suppose f is in the form of a to b, G is in the form of B to C. There are two different functions. Then its combination of composite function is denoted as G circle F from A to C. This is definition of composite function of F and G. If F is different from A to B, G is different from B to C, then G circle F is different from A to C. This is called as composite mapping from F and G. Clear? So it is defined. Suppose if you take the F is one of the function, F A to B, it takes some X variable, G of F of X. If you take, this is, we can take as G of F of X. Okay, now define G of F of X is, G circle F of X is G of F of X, wherever X belongs to in its domain A. X belongs in the domain of FA. This FA is called as domain, B is called as codomain. These are the starting definition of functions, so you can get it. You know what is a function, what is domain, what is codomain. That is definition of, from the definition of function you can get it. Okay. Now which type of questions you can come across in objective point of view. I am giving the first briefly idea about the points. You have to know them first. Clear? So composite functions. He will give the two or more functions. He may ask the composite relation like G circle F, maybe F circle G, F circle something. So how we can find out them? Just you have to concentrate this formula. G circle F of X is, we can write G of F of X, right? Now can come across the next point is inverse function. He will give the any function, he may ask the inverse. To find out its inverse, what is the process, I will explain later. First, inverse function also he will ask. He will give any of the function, maybe function is in terms of variable x, maybe in terms of ordered pairs will go. He will ask its inverse. How can you find out its inverse? We can come across the process, we can get the idea. This is one of the point, finding inverse. Next one is domain and ranges. Domain and ranges. Okay, you may go the one of the function, we may ask from that what is a domain, what is a range. Maybe we will ask only domain, maybe we will ask only range. Either objective point means mains point of view, MSET point of view. This is also important one. Okay, here you have to know the concept first, guys. That is very, very helpful to crack that chapter easily. So domain and ranges, how can you find out what is the domain, what is the range? I will explain in place of the questions. Just I am giving here what is I said. Domain and ranges questions also important. And next and foremost important point, this is nowadays is giving the questions on this point in MSET also, not only mains. In mains generally is giving, but recent years I can observe that questions are framed on this point. That is depends on special types of functions. Special types of functions. Special types of functions. You know, these are types of functions like one on to these are special types of functions. Means that you know, mod function. This is called a step function. Is also known as greatest integer function. This is called as a fractional part of x function. And the signum SGN of x we can write. This is called a signum function. It is defined as mod x by x. And you know, log x, logarithm function, exponential functions you know very well. And also we have to come across the one more function is the even and odd functions. Even and odd functions. Even and odd functions, general functions only, not special types of functions, but these are also important functions. These are the special types of functions: mod x, step x, fractional part of x. This is called as mod x by x is called as signum of x, and even and odd functions. Okay, when the mod x is defined for real values, what is definition, what is a step function, how it is defined, and all this I will explain later when we can come across the questions, right? Now on this point also questions will be framed, right? Next, it will give the properties of two or more types of functions. Those questions also important. Properties and algebraic properties, that is called algebraic properties. So the questions will be framed on algebraic properties of functions. Algebraic properties means simply, suppose there are the two functions f and g. Fg of x, we can write f of x into g of x. In fg are two functions. Fg of x, we can take f of x into g of x, where x is the domain of f and g. And in case of the single function, suppose k constant f of x, where k is a constant, k f of x we can write k into f of x. Here fg are two functions, but here what is there? K is a constant. Don't take the x for the constant. We can take k is outside, and we can write this as k into f of x. Suppose a function is k plus some constant times of k plus some f times of x. Means what? Constant plus f of x we can write k separately k plus f of x. Okay, suppose if it is a fourth point, like f of plus or minus g of x is there. The order is not important, just you have to know idea about the algebraic properties these are. We will give the one or two functions, but maybe one more than two functions also. We will ask for some algebraic properties. Such type of questions also important. Means what? How it is apply? How we can apply? We can think about the questions. But here, what are the algebraic properties? You have to know. F plus or minus g of x. How can you write? Anybody can guess? Yes. It can be taken as f of x. If it is a plus we can take, minus we can take g of x. We can observe the third and fourth point. Here k is constant. In case of constant, don't use a k of x. Just we can add k only. But here fg are functions, we can make f of x plus or minus g of x. And one more is there, that is a division f by g of x. F by g of x, we can write f of x by g of x. That the condition is g of x is not equals to 0. G of x is not equals to 0. And if in case of the some other point also I am writing here, some sixth point, some fx, f power nx is there, that one you can write fx whole power n. These are the algebraic properties of one or more functions, right? So these are the questions, on these points only questions will be framed in public examination objective type in case of the JEE Mains as well as MSET. I will discuss one by one as a parts, no need to worry, just you can concentrate what I am going to teach, just you can do the practice number of questions from your own also, and if you have any doubts put a comment, definitely I will rectify your doubts. Is it clear? Now I will start the questions in this today's part 1. What are the questions I can come across? Look at here, right? Yes, in this part 1 I will discuss some questions, depends upon some points what I have given the briefly, we have to come across those points. Okay, like that I will discuss the total chapter as a parts like 1, 2, 3 like this. If you watch the complete parts as a sequence, then only can understand the complete chapter. You know, in previous videos also uploaded the each and every topic as a parts. If you watch those chapters as a sequence, then only can understand easily entire topic, any topic. Okay, that is in your hand only. You have to follow sincerely, dedicatedly. So without doing anything, we can't get anything. Okay, you have to do it. Do compulsory. Practice is very, very important in case of maths. In easy way with concept, tips and tricks, I'm explaining in each and every video. That's enough for you, I think so. So even if you have any requirement, put a comment, right? Now, question number 1, what is given? Fx and g of x, two types of functions are given in terms of x, and he is asking the g circle, f of 2 value. What is asking? G circle, f of 2 value. For that value, how can you find out? I already said to you definition of g circle f of x. G circle f of 2. How can you write? This one you can write first. G of one function, again f of one f function, again of f of 2. Okay, like this you have to split this total 3 functions. G of f of, what is in place of x2 is there, f of 2. How can you find out these values? You can understand easily. First you have to find out f of 2 value. Internal bracket you have to split. F of 2 means what? In the function f. What is f function here? F of x is equals to x plus 1. In this function f, wherever x is there, in place of that one you have to replace the 2. Means what? F of 2 value. Now g function is as it is, and this f is as it is. Now f of 2 value I am finding. F of 2 value, how can you find out? In place of x, f function, take the 2. Here 2x plus 1, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. In place of x, you have to replace 2 in the function f. Clear? Right, next. Here g of f of 4 plus 1 result is 5. Again, what you got internally? f5 you got. f5 means again, what you have to do? In the function f, wherever x is there, take the 5. Means what? This is g of f of 5 means in place of x, take the 5. 2 into 5 is a 10. 10 plus 1. This is g of 10 plus 1 is 11 we got. G of 11 we have to find out. What is meaning of g of 11? We have to find out this value in the g function wherever x is there, take the 11. What is g function? G of x is given as x squared plus 1. G of 11 means what? In place of this x we can take 11. 11 with the square is there. 11 square plus this one is also there additionally. Don't do mistakes. Simple way, easy way how to do. 11 square is 121 plus 1, 122. This is our required result. Which option? Clearly, third option. You know, this is one of the question example for how can you find out the composite functions. Composite functions means what? Combination of f may be g with the circle. That is called as composite function. Okay, how can you find out the solution? I explain this is. In a public examination, suppose I have given here this is like this. In public examination, you may change the functions, you may ask the resultant is different, but process application is same. Right. Now question number 2. Same way here also. If the f of x is given as two types of functions, if f of x is given as 1 when x is rational, f of x is value 0 when x is irrational. Irrational. Means what? F of x is defined as two cases. What are the two cases? F of x value is a 1 when x is rational. F of x is also 0, x is irrational. You know, such type of function is called as piecewise function. Piecewise means parts divided into parts, so and so x values. Okay, here x is rational, x is irrational is mentioned like this. Okay, now we have to find out this function f circle f of root 5 value. Okay, here fx, g of x are there, here fx only in two parts are there. Now we can concentrate f circle f of root 5. How can you write? Yes, first step is exactly f of root 5. We have to find out f of root 5 value. What is root 5? Root 5 is rational or irrational? So root 5 is a clearly irrational number. Irrational number means it's not in exact value like 2, 3 like that. 2, 3, 0, those are the rational numbers. Root 2, root 3, root 5, those are called as irrational numbers. Root 5 is clearly rational number. F of root 5 means already is defined. For x is irrational, what is defined? F of x value 0. Means what? In place of this is we can take it as 0. Because already only defined. Okay. Root 5 is clearly f of x means what? X is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. In place of f of root 5, you can choose 0, right? F of 0. Now we have to find out f of 0 value. What is 0? 0 is rational or irrational? 0 is clearly rational number. For x is rational, what is f of x is defined as 1? Means this value is a 1, that's it. You only defined everything. Just you have to consider what is a rational, what is irrational, that's it. What is this answer? 1 is in the second option. Yes, this is one more point I am going to explain here. If you get the solutions like 1, 2, 3, 4, just you have to concentrate on the options. Generally, what you can think is if we get the 1 means we can pick up the first option. No, that is wrong. In first option, there is a 0, not 1. That much care you have to take in case of objective, right? Especially if you get the solutions in the values 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's 1 is there in second option. No, second option is our correct option. Clear? We'll look at the question number 3. It is one of the general question. How it is general, you can understand here. If the f of x is given as 2021 power 1 plus ln x. ln means ln x means what? To the base c indirectly. That is called as log x. Log x to the base c we can write in short form ln x also. That one is one of the important point. In public examination also will go like that some cases. Okay, 2021 whole power 1 plus log x by x power log 2021 is given. He is asking the f of 2020 value. So to find out f of 2020 value, if it substituted in place of x 2020 in the question directly, it becomes too lengthy. That's why in such type of questions, what you have to do, you have to take the simplification first. So what is simplification of this function? We can understand now like this. F of x is simplified as, you know, it is in the form of a power of m plus n or not? A power of m plus n. What is a power of m plus n? A power m into a power n. You know, algebraic property. 2021 power 1 plus log x we can write. 2021 power 1 into 2021 power log x. ln x means log x by denominator x power ln 2021, right? Now we can understand here 2021 power 1 is 2021 only into 2021 power ln x means log x by x power ln of 2021. Okay, you can understand here what is this term to this term relation. Here we can observe that some constant power ln x is there. Here in denominator x and 2020 will be interchanged. In place of x 2021 comes and in place of 2021 x comes. In such cases you can understand these two gets cancelled because both are equal. I will give here one of the short trick. What is that? A power of log b is same as b power of log a. You can think there is a base c. You have to know this tip. This is one of the tip from the logarithms. A power of log b is same as b power of log a. This is like that only. In place of a 2021 is there, b x is there. Same here also. Okay now. Here a power log b form, here b power log a form. Means both are equal, means what you can understand? Both gets cancelled. So what is left over? F of x is left over 2021. 2021 is clearly what? Constant. Constant means it is fixed value. If you replace in place of x anything, this is doesn't affect. It will be as it is because of this is constant function. F of x we got 2021. What is asking? F of 2020 means in place of x if you write the 2020 also, but this resultant is doesn't affect. That is 2021 only. Okay. What is the 2021 answer? Which option? That is clearly third option, right? In place of the 2020, if you ask the 2030 also, it is 2021 only because it doesn't affect, because it is constant. That's it. Clear? Right. Now you can come to the next question. Is given that g of x and f of x are two types of functions. Then he is asking f circle g of minus 4, right? How we can do? You know, already I did. So f circle g of minus 4 we want. How can you write f circle g of minus 4? Yes, exactly. F of g of minus 4. This my f we can take, and in place of circle we can use a bracket. G of minus 4. G of minus 4. How can you get the g of minus 4? Wherever may be g of x, here g of x, in place of x we can write minus 4. You know g of x function is cube root of x square plus 11. In place of x here, what is there? Minus 4. Here replace the minus 4. Therefore f of, if you replace the here cube root of minus 4 whole square plus 11, right? That is f of cube root of, you know, minus 4 whole square under square, minus becomes plus, minus 4 whole square is 16. 16 plus 11 here. Therefore f of cube root of 16 plus 11 is 27. Cube root of 27 is how much? 3 or not? Because 27 you can write 3 cube. Therefore this is f of 3. Cube root of 27 is 3 because 27 is 3 cube. So now finally you have to find out f of 3 value. Now f of 3 means we can come to the function fx. In place of x we have to replace 3, that is square root of, in place of x replace 3 cube with minus 2. Square root of 3 cube is 27 with minus 2. 27 with minus 2 means 25 under root. Root 25 is clearly 5. Actually plus or minus 5. Here only plus sign is there. Therefore what is answer here? 5. We got the solution is 5. That option is third option. That's it. Very simple. Just you have to concentrate what is the splitting of the composite functions, right? Look at the question number 5. What is given here? If f from R to R, g from R to R are defined by, don't worry about these two functions. In case of R to R only, these two are defined. That's why it has given like that. No need to worry about these two. First sentence. And given functions are f of x and g of x. F of x is 2x plus 3, g of x is x squared plus 7. Then we have to find out the values of x, for which f of g of x value is 25. He is given that f of g of x value is 25. From that we can find out values of x. So he only given f of g of x is 25. That is we are using here. F of g of x is 25, right? Means f of g of x. What is g of x here? X squared plus 7. Function x squared plus 7 g of x. As it is, we can replace in place of g of x. Is a 25. Now f of x squared plus 7 means f of x already have. What is f of x here? 2x plus 3. In place of x, you know this x we have to replace x squared plus 7. If there is a 2, we are replacing 2 now, like that. In place of x, we have to replace x squared plus 7 where? In the function f. Therefore, this becomes now 2 into, this becomes now 2 into, in place of this x, we can write x squared plus 7. Then plus 3 extra is there. That is I am taking as it is equals to 25. Now we can observe the 2x square. Simplification, 2x squared plus 2 7 is 14. 14 plus 3, 17 is equals to 25. Right. From this one, 2x square is equals to 25 minus 17 is how much? Yes, 9. Sorry, 8. 25 minus 17 is 8. 2x square plus 17 is 25. What is 2x square is? 25 minus 17 is 8. Therefore, what is x square from this one? 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. X square is 4. Means x is root 4 in the sense plus or minus 2. Two values we have to get. He is asking values. Means what? We have to find out both plus or minus 2. Which option that is plus or minus 2? Is clearly second option. Clear? Simple question. Is given that so and so result. By using that we can find out values of x, right? Now can come to the next question. 6th one. Is given that f of x is x plus 1, g of x is x squared plus 2. Then he is asking the fg of 2. That is what? Fg of 2, not f circle g of 2. You have to concentrate on this one. Is fg of 2 means I have given to you algebraic properties. What is fg of x I have given? Fg of x we can write f of x into g of x. This is algebraic property I have given. That is we are using here. In place of x, what is there? 2 is there. For this solution, fg of 2 we can write f of 2 into g of 2. This is by the algebraic properties of f and g I am using here. f2 into g2. f2 means what? In place of the xf function, take the 2. 2 plus 1, 3 f2 into g2. In place of x, g function taken as 2. 2 into 2 square 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Right. 3 into 6 is 18. 18 is clearly first option. By using these algebraic properties, he may ask any result like f plus g of 2, maybe fg 2, fg of 2, maybe f by g of 2 or something he will ask. What are the algebraic properties you have to know? That's it. The question number 7 and 8, some model questions here. In these two questions, you can observe that he will give the function as a parts, that is called as piecewise function. In such cases, what you have to recognize? First of all, 7th question you can read out. If function f of x is defined as 3 cases. One is x squared plus 1 for values of x less than or equal to 0. For values of x less than or equal to 0, you have to choose f of x as x squared plus 1. For values which are lies between 0 to 5, you know what are the values which are lies between 0 to 5? In such cases, f of x we can choose as 2x minus 1. Then, what is third case? If x is greater than or equals to 5, if x value is greater than or equals to 5, in place of f of x, we have to choose 4x plus 3. Then, is asking, is defined like this function. Then is asking this summation of f of minus 3 so and so. So, to find out this result, we need the 4 results. One is f of minus 3, second f of 2, third f of 5, fourth f of 1. I am finding those separately first of all. First we can consider f of minus 3. For f of minus 3 means what? X is minus 3. Minus 3 is less than 1 or greater than 1? Yes, x is less than 0 here, but according to the given function, minus 3 is a less than 0. Less than 0 means what? We can choose in place of f of x is x squared plus 1. But in place of what is there? In place of x here, minus 3 is there. So what is this resultant value f of minus 3? We can take minus 3 in the x squared plus 1 function. Why we are choosing that only? Because he is given that f of x as x squared plus 1 when x values are less than or equal to 0. You can understand clearly minus 3 is less than 0. That's it. In place of x minus 3, if we take minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. This is f of minus 3 value. Now f of 2 value I am finding. F of 2 according to the given conditions 0 and 5. In between 0 and 5 only there is 2. Means we have to choose f of x is x minus 1. In place of x here 2 we have to replace. Because x2 is lies between 0 to 5 or not. So like that we have to choose a function. According to the given definition only have to choose a function. So f of 2 value have to choose this function. For 2 f of 2 in place of x taken as 2. 2 2's 4, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is f of 2 value. Now we have to get f of 5. For f of 5 what you have to do? F of 5 means what? Greater than or equals to 5 is there here already. Means for f of 5 you have to choose this function. In place of x here 5 you have to write. 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is a 23. This is a f of 5 value. Then what is the next last f of 1 we want? You know where x is defined. 1 means what? Which is lies between 0 to 1. 0 to 5. In between 0 to 5 only there is 1. Okay, that's why you have to choose for f of 1 this function. But in place of x what you have to replace? 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is f of 1. We got the 4 results: f of minus 3, f of 2, f of 5, f of 1. Those 4 we can substitute in required result. What is the required result? F of minus 3 is a 10. Right? Then f of 2 plus f of 2 is a 3. Then f of 5 is a 23. Okay, by f of 1 is 1 only. You know 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 23 is how much? 13 plus 23 is a 36. 36 is there in second option. That's it. Okay, you have to concentrate what is a given function and what you have to find out. That's it. Very simple. This model is also one of the important one for MSET point of view. Okay, right, now come to the 8th question. Same model here. F from R to R is defined as 3 cases like this. X values are given. Then the value of f of 2 plus f of 0 plus f of minus 3 is asking. Here also you can concentrate first f of 2 value. We need f of 2. F of 2 means what? Which function you have to choose? Yes, for greater than 1. Greater than 1, 2 is greater than 1 or not? So in place of the x we have to write 2 in this function. 2 minus 2, 0. Therefore f of 2 value 0. Now we have to find what? F of 2 is over f of 0. For f of 0 which function you have to choose? Yes, second function you have to choose because in between minus 1 to plus only there is 0. Therefore in place of f x can take x square, but x is what here? 0. 0 square is 0 only. This value is also got 0. Now come to the next value, f of minus 3. F of minus 3 means what? Is less than minus 1. So we have to choose first function. In place of x we can write minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is a minus 1. We got the 3 of the results: f of 2, f of 0, f of minus 3. Therefore we want f of 2 plus f of 0 plus f of minus 3. What is addition of these 3? 0 plus 0 minus 1 is minus 1. That is only a required result. That is clearly third option. Is it clear now? That's it. Right. Let's look at the question number 9 and 10 which are given previous MSET. This is given MSET 2015. This is MSET 2016. This is. Okay. Those two are very, very important questions. Simple questions. How it is. First of all, question number 9. If f from n to r, n means natural number to real number set, is defined as f of 1 value is given as minus 1 and f of n plus 1 is equals to 3 f of n plus 2 is given like this. Means what? F of 1 value is given and f of x is, in place of x there is n function. F of n plus 1 is defined as 3 f of n plus 2. Now we can find out then f is, what is the type of this function f? We have to find out. F is 1, 1, onto constant, etc. To find out the recognition of this function, type of the function, first we have to use the given equation is what? What is the given equation? This is, we have to concentrate first. F of n plus 1 is equals to 3 f of n plus 2. What is domain? Natural numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1. So already f of 1 value is given as, f of 1 value is given as minus 1. So we want the next f of 2, f of 3, or at least 2, 3 values you have to check. Then we can understand what is the position of the function. So in place of the n on both sides, take the 1. What happened? Put n is equals to 1 on both sides. Then we can get the f2 value, because 1 plus 1, 2 is equals to 3 f of 1 plus 2. Now we can use f of 1 value. What is f of 1 value is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 plus 2. What is 3 into minus 1 is? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. F of 1 value is a minus 1 is given. We got the f of 2 is also minus 1. One more or maybe 2 more we have to find out. Similarly, f of 2. In place of n, take the 2. F of 2 over, f of 3 now. For f of 3, in place of n, take the 2. Means for left side 2 plus 1, 3 is equals to 3 times of f of 2. In place of n, I choose it as a 2 plus 2. What is f of 2 we got? F of 2 got minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2 is also minus 1. Like this, we can find out the at least 3 to 4 values. F of 1 we got the minus 1. F of 2 is also minus 1. F of 3 is also minus 1. For every image of the function is same. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. This is called as image. Means what? Image of the function is a fixed, that is constant. Means it is a clearly constant function. That is a third option. Okay. Sometimes we get 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function means different elements has a different images. Suppose if you get the f of 1 is a minus 1, f of 2, some other result you have to get. Then only it is 1, 1. Same way you can think about onto also. So in this question you can understand that is clearly which type of function? Constant function. For some other functions deeply we will discuss about some more questions which are depends upon the types of functions. There we can get idea about deeply remaining types of functions, right? Next question, you can come to the next question. What is the question number 10? If f of x is given as x square minus 2x plus 4, then the set of the values of x satisfying this equation. You have to find out the values of x which are satisfying the given equation. It's also very simple. You have to use this equation. F of x minus 1 is equals to f of x plus 1. F of x minus 1 means what? In the given function x, wherever x is there, x minus 1 you have to choose, that is left side. X square means what? X minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 into x minus 1 plus 4. This is for left side function. What about right side? F of x plus 1 means in place of x, take the x plus 1. That is x plus 1 whole square minus 2 of x plus 1 plus 4. Right. You know, and throughout 4 is cancelled. Next step I am writing like this. Minus 2 of x plus 1, taking the left side, that becomes 2 times of x plus 1. I am leaving this as 2 of x minus 1 and x plus 1 right side only I left. Then what about remaining here? X minus 1 taken to right side, that is x minus 1 whole square, right? We can observe that here 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Plus 2, here also minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. Means for left side we can get the 4 is equals to right side. You know it is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Yes, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is what? 4ab. That is 4, a is x, b is 1. That is 4x. From this we can get 4 cancel, x value is 1. What is set of the values of x is? 1 is a set 1 we have to write. Set 1 is which option? Is clearly 3. Third option. Okay, now set 1 is there in the third option. The question number 11 first. If f of x is given as 16 power x by 16 power x plus 4, we can understand here. Here some 16 power x, here also same function 16 power x plus here 4 is there. 4 in the sense root 16. Like that, if the function is defined like a power x by a power x plus root a, then the value of f of x plus f of 1 minus x, immediately can choose it as 1. You have to remember this super tip. What that function is defined as, you know, already in question number 12 is given that only if f from R to R defined as f of x is equal to a power x by a power x plus root a. In this case, what you have to choose? F of x plus f of 1 minus x is 1. You have to remember that super tip. That is I'm using for the question number 12 because it's defined like this. Here in place of the a, what is there? 16 is there. So f of x is equals to what? 16 power x by 16 power x plus 4 is given. Then we can concentrate f of x plus f of 1 minus x value is 100% 1. You have to remember that tip. One is which option clearly? Second option. He is asking what? First given that f r to r is given by f of x is a power x by a power x plus root a is given. Means what? If the function is defined like this, which result we have? Yes, we have f of x plus f of 1 minus x is 1 result. That is I am using for finding this summation. What is asking now? F of 1 by 2021 plus f of 2 by 2021 plus and so on plus f of 2020 by 2021 result is asking. How can you find out this value? By using this super tip, I am finding this value without doing anything. Just you have to concentrate on how I am using this super tip. Okay, so you have to find out this value. What we have, according to this definition, what you have? We have f of x plus f of 1 minus x value is 1. That is I am using here when the function is defined f of x is a power x by a power x plus root a. Now how I am using this is, you can understand now, f of 1 by 2021 plus what is last term? F of 2021 by 2021. I am writing beside of this is f of 2020 by 2021. As a one bracket I am writing. Plus second term. What is second term here? F of 2 by 2021. F of 2 by 2021. Plus what is the before this one? Can you guess? Here continuous numbers are there. 1, 2, 3 up to 2020 means what? Before that is how much? 2019. That is I am writing beside of this is f of 2019 by 2021. Okay, this is second bracket. Plus one more, I am writing one more bracket. Next, can you guess? Yes, f of 3 by 2021 plus second one is this thing. Third one is 2019. F of 2019 is over 2018 by 2021. Like this, we can split the total terms. How many terms are there here? Can you guess? It is starting from 1, 2, 3 up to 2020. Means what? 2020 terms are there totally. But in each bracket, how many terms I have written? 2 terms I have written. 1 plus 1, 2. Means what? Total 2020 terms becomes how many brackets? 2020 by 2 means what? 1010 brackets will come. Okay? How much will come? 1010 brackets. Okay, because in each bracket how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. So total how many terms are there here? 2020. In each bracket 2 terms means what? Total 2020 is off. Means what? 1010 brackets are there. Now can come to the each bracket. First term is as it is I am writing f of 1 by 2021 plus second term in the first bracket shall I write f of 1 minus 1 by 2021. You can understand here 1 minus 1 by 21 becomes this thing or not? What is the LCM here? 2021. 2021 minus 1 is 2020. Right? Simple way easy I am doing by using the super tip. Same way next bracket. F of 2 by 2021 with plus f of, this is, can you guess? Yes, 1 minus 2 by 2021. You know 2021 minus 2 is 19. Right. Next bracket. Plus f of 3 by 2021 plus f of 1 minus 3 by 2021. You know 2021 minus 3 is a 2018. Like that there are the 1010 brackets. Now each bracket is in the form of what? F of x plus f of 1 minus x or not? This is x here, 1 minus x. Same thing here. Similarly, this is x, this is 1 minus x. Same thing here. Same, this is x, this is 1 minus x. Same thing here. So each bracket is in the form of f of x plus f of 1 minus x means what? Each bracket value is how much? 1. Why? Because of this given function is like this. Right, that is super tip. Each bracket is 1 means 1 plus 1 up to how many times? 1010 times. Means what? Sum of the 1010 ones is 1010. Right. This is only a required value. Which option? Clearly fourth option. So simple. Just you have to concentrate what is the super tip. If you know the tip, then only you can get such type of questions easily. Is it clear now? These are the various questions I did in this part 1 functions. I explained the what is the concept of the function, what are the various points you can come across throughout the chapter, and I started some questions in this part 1. I finished some questions. So in next part I will come across some more questions with a different model. So I hope so if you follow this video very well. If you make sure enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe, and at the same time click the bell notification. I conclude this video is here. I come with new topic, new part baby in the next video. Till then have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.